Good afternoon, everyone. This is Dr. Sahil Galyan, pursuing Masters in Veterinary Gynecology and Obstetrics from Ivirai, Izzatnagar. As we know that there are various audio clips which are viral on social media, and this fortunately they have gone viral and like they have been recorded. Otherwise, she has been doing these things and abusing with similar languages. Only 2 or 3 videos are viral. But there are numerous instances that she is constantly using these words, Haramzada, Haramkhor. Does this signify or are they appropriate for a member of parliament? मतलब एक राजनीति में होते हुए आप इन शब्दों का इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं। और आपकी उम्र देखिए, आप हमारी माँ या दादी समान उम्र की हैं और आप एक 23-24 साल के वेटनेरियन को, 30 साल के वेटनेरियन को, जिनको 20-25 साल एक्सपीरियंस हो चुका है, 55 ईयर्स, किसी को नहीं बख्श रही हैं। आपको माननीय माननीय कहते कहते हम थक गए, बट यू आर नॉट माननीय फॉर अस फ्रॉम नाउ ऑन. वी आर टोटली बाइकॉटिंग. यू आर नो वन फॉर अस. In Veterinary Council of India, you are nothing. You are not. You don't know about any veterinary science, and you are telling rubbish things. We cannot give this injection with this. Why are we studying pharmacology? Why are we studying medicine for these things? You will tell us what should not be given. What do you know about pharmacology? What is the? You were saying ivermectin cannot be given with it. What is the mechanism of action of that drug? Do you know? बस यहीं कहीं से पढ़ लिया, किसी और की सुन ली. Takes courage to start a private clinic for a veterinarian because you cannot make that much money as we can just survive on that clinic. Okay, you were talking about 2,000, 4,000 rupees. Go to any human hospital who is doing these operations of this ovary hysterectomy, what we do in 2,000 or 4,000 rupees. Any legal word you have used, we will go through a proper channel. No, I will call DM, I will call that and that. Really pathetic situation in this country. We veterinarians are working beyond the human capacity. We have so much of workload. And surprisingly, during this pandemic, you have called veterinary public health person as the worst one. Okay, this is so surprising. Everybody is talking about One Health. Let it be World Health Organization or this OI, our organization OIE. And you are calling this veterinary public health officials as the worst. And you don't know anything. A BVSC graduate can do surgery, can do any obstetrical procedure in the field, and are doing since ages. These veterinary officers in this field, veterinary surgeons, basically they are called veterinary surgeons only. इतने साल आपको इस लाइन में हो गए, आपको यूं नहीं पता कि veterinary surgeon हमें बोला जाता है BVSC के बाद. We have to do our best. We are doing our best. Whatever regulations that are under the control of the state veterinary councils or veterinary council of India, they have to monitor us. They have to do all the tasks related to legal activities. Who is she to question? Who is anyone to question us? We have done our degree. We are professionals. We know what to do, what drug to give, when to give, what operation to do. Can we do that operation or not? So this is totally not acceptable for us, and with this condition, how can we work? How can we work with this political harassment? Even though we know she cannot do, but still there is a political power. Every new graduate will get afraid, and we can see that our colleagues and our seniors who have been tortured by her, they are afraid because she has some power. One way or the other, this will stop. We are united now. You won't be able to do this after this. We won't let you humiliate us. And definitely I will ask the authorities that we should have security from such person. These people should not be allowed to call us. Call any veterinarian and even be present at. Now that she has threatened, she should be boycotted from everywhere. She should not be allowed to enter any veterinary clinical complex, any veterinary hospital. She should not be allowed to handle animals. Because one who can be so harassing and threatening to a human being, imagine what she can do to an animal. ये बस ऊपर से दिखावा है कि हम एनिमल राइट एक्टिविस्ट. उनके जानवरों की स्थिति पूरे देश को पता है, स्पेशली हम वेटनेरियंस को पता है कि उनके किसी भी हेल्थ केयर सेंटर्स पे क्या हो रहा है. एंड therefore, if she had been in some another country, the authorities, the particular party, even the opposition, leave the opposition, the particular party, the particular president, particular prime minister would have made her resign immediately. by using this word. Yeah, calling our family members. What is this perception that farmers or this what you were saying, किसी माली का और ड्राइवर का तेरा बाप रहा होगा. Typical. What is this language? What is this language? Who uses such kind of language today? बाप क्या रहा होगा. कि approach veterinary में every veterinarian, though we prepare for MBBS and then come, but this was the earlier scenario also, but today we have students who are voluntarily coming to veterinary education. And still, if we are not getting MBBS, then we are coming to veterinary. So what is the crime that we have done? We have come to a noble profession, we have studied all the animals, and that was, we got a seat just because of our dedication. We prepared for few years. Now you are questioning our abilities. You are fortunate to have a family background, and unfortunately most of the veterinarians don't have that kind of background. That's why they are some kind of like, they are not speaking against you. They are easily threatened, because in India power is everything, money is everything, and we don't have anything like this power or money. So, but now we have unity. And if they are not proper institutions, as per you, no college is good. Who is responsible for that? Who has been in ruling, whatever the ruling party has been? From what is, the colleges are from the independence time also, various colleges. And it is in your perception only that the colleges are not working. They are at the level of IITs and this All India Institute of Medical Sciences also. The condition is the fund is not being given. We are not given that priority, but still in less facilities and less funds we are working. But no, why would you encourage us? Why would you try to motivate us? Because we don't give you any money now. We are no use for you. We won't be giving any profits to you. So this has to stop. This kind of woman and everyone of similar thinking will be taken care of very nicely by our united veterinarians all over the India and even world.